Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your 2 for Tuesday. We have 5 words today, so let's jump right in. I'm not going to get into definitions. Our 2 main words are seed and seed. These 2 words are pronounced exactly the same. We start with the S sound. S. To do this, the tip of your tongue is behind your top front teeth or slightly pointed down, and the air is continuously moving out of your mouth. S. We're then going to move to that long E sound by smiling, and your tongue is high and flat in your mouth. And then end with the D. D. To do this, touch the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth. The air puffs out slightly, and your voice box is on. So we have seed and seed. Now I got a great question from a student. Do seeded, seeded, and seeded, do they all sound the same? They do, and here is why. When we have the word seated with the T sound, seat, because we have a voiced sound here and then this ED ending, we are going to change that T to a D. So we have seated, seated, and seeded. So you get to think about saying those words see and then ending with did. Seeded, seated, seeded. So let's try all those words together. Seed, seed, seated, seated, seeded. I do have a class on that ED ending. If you are interested, I'll post that in the link below, and I even have a longer option on Udemy that will be posting soon. So good luck, everybody. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this helpful, we'd love a like, a share, and a subscribe. Check out our products on Google Play, iTunes, Udemy, and our one-to-one training options on tarlespeech.com. Thanks, everyone. Take care.